For the sound system, it is currently assembled so that most of the sound comes from these speakers above. These are the default sports hall speakers, and they are pretty good. This is a simple setup, but it works. So these speakers are controlled from plugs that are in here. They are left and right. Usually there is a box here, but now we moved it and connected also the cables all the way to the other side, and it is the mixer box, this one here. The output comes from this cable here, where they are connected and plugged into the place where I showed before. Here, this is the back of this box. This box is usually in the back there, where the cables are connected. This back side of the box has a place where you can enter all the different channels that you want. So at the moment we have the wireless microphone that is connected by default. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 of these are microphones. This one is the keyboard. This one here is the sound that you play from the computer, that is either connected here in the front by Bluetooth or through this cable plugged in here. When it's plugged in here, you can play any sound file that you want from the computer. So this one you will want to be connected to your computer. That will be playing videos or songs or music or whatever. As a sound responsible person, you need to make sure that the sound works. Right now the channel is off. If you plug it in, now the channel is on. Now the wireless speaker can be heard. If this is off, it cannot be heard. This is the level. Do not ever go all the way to the top, because that's how you destroy the equipment. It's always meant to be around 8 maximum, and you ideally want to go a bit below that. This is the loudness. You can also control the loudness through here. This is gain. This is just another control that works together with this one for the loudness. This one will also increase the loudness. So if you want to decrease or increase, you can use either of these, but also don't go too far. Then here you can adjust which spectrum of the frequency you want in your channel. So you can increase the high frequencies of the channel from here, and that's if you want to play more advanced. So it's not that important if you don't use this. So for sometimes it's useful for speech to increase a little bit on the middle range, because that's where all the parts of the speech that you hear are contained. So then the sound will be maybe a bit more clear, but it's up to you to experiment.